Hello tool lovers, you're watching this video. Today we're counting down the 10 must-have woodworking accessories for DIY projects on Amazon in 2026. These smart accessories help improve accuracy, safety and efficiency in any workshop. From measuring tools and clamps to carving kits and sanding gear. These essentials can make your DIY projects easier and more professional. Let's dive in and discover the tools every woodworker should have. Carbide Tipped 82 degrees. The Countersink Carbide Tipped 82 degrees. Countersink drill bit is built for precision, durability and clean results in woodworking and light metal tasks. Its carbide tipped countersink head delivers exceptional wear resistance, capable of handling up to 30,000 holes in solid wood. The adjustable, ball-bearing depth stop spins freely to prevent scratches or burn marks while ensuring consistent countersink depth. An M2 high-speed steel pilot bit with gold coating offers extended life and adjustable drilling depth. Designed to the 82-degree ANSI standard, it pairs perfectly with flat head screws. A 1/4 inch quick release hex shank allows fast, secure bit changes across multiple materials. Dowel Jig Kit. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit makes building strong, accurate dowel joints fast and frustration-free. Designed to eliminate complicated measuring and marking, it delivers consistent results thanks to multiple alignment options and hardened steel drill guides. The onboard measuring scale and stop collar system ensure precise depth every time, while the clamp-ready design keeps everything stable during drilling. Built from impact-resistant polymer, the jig is durable enough for shop or job site use. With integrated storage for accessories and versatility for corner, edge, and miter joints, it's an ideal solution for cabinets, furniture, and everyday woodworking repairs. Thin Rip Jig the Saker. Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Guide is a must-have accessory for woodworkers who demand accuracy, safety, and repeatability when cutting narrow strips. Built from CNC, machined anodized aluminum, it delivers rock-solid stability and long-term durability. Its precision roller bearing system allows smooth forward motion while actively preventing kickback, making thin rip cuts safer and more controlled. With fine adjustment down to 1/32 inch, clear metric and imperial scales, and wide T-slot compatibility, this jig is perfect for cabinetry, trim work, and detailed projects. The slide set lock design ensures fast setup and consistent results every time. T-Bevel gauge. The Preciva T-Bevel gauge and Protractor blends classic craftsmanship with modern digital precision, making angle measurement fast, accurate, and hassle-free. Its large LCD screen delivers clear readings with up to plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy and fine resolution for demanding tasks. Built with a stainless steel ruler and durable ABS handle, it's designed for long-term workshop use. The locking knob ensures angles stay put, while metric and imperial scales add flexibility. Smart features like hold, zeroing, reverse display, integrated levels, and auto power off make this tool ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and precise layout jobs. Stackable featherboards. The POWERTEC. Stackable featherboards are a smart, safety-focused upgrade for any woodworking setup. Made from durable, impact-resistant polymer, They apply consistent pressure to keep stock firmly against the fence or table for cleaner, more accurate cuts. Their innovative stackable design eliminates the need for spacers, making them ideal for taller workpieces. Angled fingers reduce kickback while maintaining smooth feed control. With dual mounting options for mitre slots and T-tracks, plus easy grip star knobs for quick adjustments, these featherboards work seamlessly on table saws, router tables, band saws and jointers, boosting both precision and safety. Multifunctional Project Table. The POWERTEC Multifunctional Project Table is a smart portable solution for DIYers and woodworkers who need a reliable work surface anywhere. Its foldable, lightweight design makes transport and vertical storage effortless, while the heavy-duty steel frame delivers impressive stability. The durable tabletop features a universal 3/4-inch bench dog hole pattern, allowing compatibility with a wide range of clamps and accessories. With imprinted metric and imperial measurements, precise layout is quick and easy. Designed with safety locks, self-leveling feet and a wide leg stance, this table supports demanding tasks like cutting, sanding, clamping and assembly with confidence. Wood glue dispenser, 16 ounces bottle. The Fastcap wood glue dispenser, 16-ounce bottle, better known as the GlueBot, is a game changer for clean, precise glue application. Its patented 2-chamber, no drip system creates a vacuum that pulls excess glue back into the bottle, keeping the tip clean and clog-free. With interchangeable Yorker and blade tips, you can apply fine lines or wider spreads with total control. The bottle works vertically or horizontally, features a wide mouth for easy refills, and has a stable base to prevent tipping. Durable, efficient, and mess-free, it's ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Countersink drill bit set. The EZARC. Countersink drill bit set delivers precision, durability, and versatility for woodworking and metalworking projects. Crafted from high-speed steel with titanium nitride or black oxide coatings, these bits resist wear and corrosion. Featuring an optimal 82-degree angle, they ensure perfect flush countersinking for flat head screws. Woodworking sets use a 4-flute design for smooth, fast chip removal, while metal sets employ 5 flutes to minimize vibration and improve finishes. Adjustable depth control, a universal 1/4-inch hex shank, and multifunctionality allow drilling, countersinking, and counterboring in one step. Complete kits include multiple sizes, hex wrenches, and a sturdy storage case. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder. The Sunlfprod. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder is a compact, versatile aluminum alloy tool for precision woodworking. It functions as a center scriber, 90-degree square, protractor, and self-centering dowel drill guide. Precision pins quickly locate center lines or circles without manual measuring. Made from high-strength anodized aluminum, it resists corrosion while remaining lightweight and portable at just 2.5 ounces. Machined holes and an offset blade edge allow accurate markings with pencils or markers. Ideal for table saws, mitre saws, router tables, and blade alignment. It often includes a flip stop, small magnet, and storage box for convenience and durability. Cabinet clamps. The ECY Cabinet Clamps make cabinet installation faster, easier, and more precise. Featuring an integrated drill guide, They allow accurate pilot holes without repositioning the clamp. Dual direction alignment ensures face frames are flush, front to back, and tightly joined side to side. Crafted from high-strength anodized aluminum, these clamps are durable, rigid, and rust-resistant. Multi-size felt pads protect cabinet surfaces from scratches, while precision threads enable micro-adjustments for perfect alignment. With a strong 440-pound grip and wide jaw capacity, 2 inches to 3 7/8 inches, they securely hold styles of varying thicknesses. Kits include 2 clamps, hardware, felt pads, and a convenient storage case.